Greetings. Welcome to the commencement and moving up ceremonies of the kindergarten, elementary, and junior high school students of school year 2019-2020 of the University of the East Manila Campus. Please rise for the singing of our national anthem to be led by the UE Chorale.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, buwil ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisingil. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may nilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdidingin, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mag-aapi, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Please be seated. Principal Nieva J. Discipolo of the Basic Education Department, Manila, will now present the candidates for graduation and completion.
Dear candidates for graduation and moving up, please rise as I call your respective grade levels. Madam President and Chief Academic Officer, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation from the elementary level and the completers from the kindergarten level and from the junior high school. They have been recommended by the respective teachers after having completed all the requirements prescribed by this university, subject to the confirmation by the Board of Trustees and the Department of Education.
UE President Esther A. Garcia will now declare the graduation and completion.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me by law and the powers delegated to me by the Board of Trustees of the University, and upon the recommendation of your respective teachers and principal, I hereby declare you graduates and completers, together with all the rights, privileges, and honors thereunto appertaining. For the graduates of elementary laboratory school, you may now transfer your tassel to the right side. Parents of the graduates, completers, and teachers, please stand. Congratulations. Let us all give them a round of applause.
We will now have the presentation of completers and graduates with awards. Joining us in this portion are UE President Esther A. Garcia, UE Manila Chancellor Linda P. Santiago, UE College of Education Dean Eva Aurora D. Calueng, and UE Manila Principal Nieva J. Discipolo.
Pre-Kindergarten Peace, Vince Matthew M. Apostol, WordSmart Awardee. Cassandra M. Arandia, Picture Smart Awardee. Alexa Malin R. Daniel, Music Smart Awardee. Alicia Marie P. Dueñas, Music Smart Awardee. Natasha Rina V. Galicia, Picture Smart Awardee. Mariam Y. Grayem, Body Smart Awardee. Maria Nicole A. Hardin, Self Smart Awardee. Marcus Richmond D. King, People Smart Awardee. Shana Celestina A. Landico, Number Smart Awardee. Irene Eliora N. Lim, Number Smart Awardee. Emmanuel Gift R. Morales, Body Smart Awardee. Xander G. Naval, Body Smart Awardee. Jan Ezreal G. Pacheco, Number Smart Awardee. Asher Gabriela P. Pasilyao, Word Smart Awardee. Neil Matthew M. Rojo, Picture Smart Awardee. Zymon B. Soto, Self-Smart Awardee. Shersha Carly Don A. Uy, Self-Smart Awardee. Jalea Lexi B. Velasquez, Word Smart Awardee. Kindergarten Joy. Mark Swayze Zareth T. Arago, Word Smart Awardee. Dominic Aldenson H. Aranda, Body Smart Awardee. Gabriel Monique Bangalan, Self-Smart Awardee. Alicia Micael P. Buendia, Picture Smart Awardee. Carmi Rose P. Bumanglag, Music Smart Awardee. Travis Jacob J. Camba, Picture Smart Awardee. Onofre Miguel N. Corpuz, Music Smart Awardee. Bianca Evelet C. De Guzman, Word Smart Awardee. M. L. De La Cruz, People Smart Awardee. Albert R.D. T. De La Peña, People Smart Awardee. Dana Shania Caitlin A. Edpan, Number Smart Awardee. Andrea Georgette S. Herrera, Body Smart Awardee. Jandy J. Janu, Picture Smart Awardee. Jillian Grace Madukdok, Body Smart Awardee. Najmuddin H. Nasir, Number Smart Awardee. Christian Dominic B. Palyones, Word Smart Awardee. Gabriel Angela C. Quiñones, Number Smart Awardee. Isabel C. Quiñones, Music Smart Awardee. Chihiro Ann G. Rodriguez, Number Smart Awardee. Leonilia Princess D. Rojo, Self-Smart Awardee. Charlie Madison M. Valencia, Body Smart Awardee. Adam T. Vasquez, Self-Smart Awardee.